Un dernier yon, je glisse gentiment. Je glisse gentiment.
Alright, so here's my voltage. Amps are pretty hot. I'm at 2,000 RPM. I got 33 hertz set. And I'm gonna go down and see what it does. Let's go down and turn it up here. Alright. Alright, here we go. 33 hertz again. Now that's more like it. I felt my engine load. I saw 12.8. Real quick, it just went down to 13.8. When I cut my car off now, it actually rests at like 14 volts. I actually had my headlights on for a minute.
Whichever way you want to do it.
It's looking like this thing is proven. I pulled my excess power, now I'm running this. And when I tell y'all, when I was driving, the voltage was very stable and my mirror was literally just doing the twisty move. That's kind of new. The amps are a little cooler. It is pretty nice outside. It's just a plus. Took out a lot of weight. So I know I'm probably saving a little bit here and there on gas. And it's just the same RPMs. And here we go. Volume is always at 44. We start the track. Make sure the RPM dial it down a little bit. All right, here we go. Woo! Yeah, it's a little difference, I think.